Sometimes exercise is not the fix-all, save-all we think it is. Sometimes I'm exercising, I just exercise so I can eat that whole burger. Remember, it still is calories in and calories out. Exercise has so many psychological benefits. It makes us feel revitalized. It makes us feel stronger. It can even make us feel more powerful or communicate our needs and wants more. There's sort of no end to the benefits. It has cardiovascular benefits, cognitive benefits. It helps us with our metabolism. So exercise is good. The key is to make sure you integrate exercise into a complete and balanced weight loss plan. One of the big mistakes many people make when they attempt to do exercise is, number one, they take on too much of it alone. It feels very isolating and it feels like a chore. This is a really good time to bring other people into your world. Do it with them, join a biking group, go rowing on the water with somebody, go to the gym with a friend. But it's also important to remember that sometimes exercise is not the fix-all, save-all we think it is. Sometimes I'm exercising, I just exercise so I can eat that whole burger. Remember, it still is calories in and calories out. So the key is to get a real balance of good, healthy exercise that you can enjoy and want to do, a good, healthy diet plan that is sustainable, and then try to build other people into that whole program so you're accountable and you enjoy.